Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to walk through the step-by-step process of buying up Mother Pepe cryptocurrency. Whether you are the beginner or just for the refresher, this guide will make it easy for you to purchase your Mother Pepe first coin, or you have already buy some other coin as well. From setting up your wallet to completing your transaction, we have got you covered. Let's dive in and get started on your crypto journey. Okay, yeah, first of all guys, you need to have your Phantom wallet. To download the Phantom wallet, you need to go to the Apple App Store. First of all, yeah, you can see here, type the Phantom wallet, and yeah, this one, the Phantom wallet, because I have already the Phantom wallet. That's why there is no any other option to like update and download, because I have already set up and everything. Just you can click here, just open it, and you can see here my Phantom wallet. This Phantom wallet is just for the show you guys how does it work. So I didn't have any Solana and any money there. So second, you guys need to have another app as well, which called Dex Screener. Just go back to the Apple App Store, and you guys can see here just type here Dex Screener. You guys can see here the Dex Screener. Just download it, and I have already, that's why it's just showing the open, and just open it. And once you open it, you can see here the Mother Pepe, because as per the today's record, the Mother Pepe is trending number 1 in the Dex Screener. You can see here in the top corner is the Mother Pepe, which is trending number 1. Just open it and just go down here. Before you buy any Mother Pepe token, like you have to money in your Phantom wallet, like the Solana. Especially we need to have the Solana, and you can just transfer some Solana from some other centralized exchange to the Solana Phantom wallet. After that, you guys just come over the Dex Screener. You can see here. Yeah, you guys can see here no money in my Phantom wallet, because like I haven't transferred any money to this wallet, because it's this wallet only for you to show you guys, like guide you guys, like how can you buy the Mother Pepe. Yeah, just come over the Mother Pepe in the Dex Screener. You guys can open in the Mother Pepe and come a little bit down, and you just copy the contract address from here. You guys can see here, and just come over to the Phantom wallet, and after that just open the Solana and add select token. Just click the select token, and once you click the select token, you'll have option for the source. Just paste it here, the contract address, whatever you copied from the Dex Screener. Okay, yeah, it will come up here, Mother Pepe. And once you see the Mother Pepe, just you guys can like put whatever amount like you have in your Solana account, like in the Phantom wallet. And yeah guys, here we go. This is not any financial advice, guys. Take your own risks, and please do your own research before you buying any cryptocurrency. And don't forget to like, share, and comment this video. Thank you for watching.